Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. I know it's been a little while. I've been busy with school and whatnot. I got about a month left, and then once summer hits, I'm going to start posting more often. But today, I've been wanting to post a video about these new propellers I got. These are propellers for the Mavic Air 2, one of DJI's drones, and these are low noise propellers, a pair of them. I bought two pairs, so I have four propellers altogether. I bought these for $8.99 at Best Buy. Together, after tax, they were about $24, I think, something around there. And today, I was wanting to post a video of what the drone sounds like with its regular propellers on, the ones that it came with, its stock propellers, and then compare that to these low noise propellers. Now, the low noise is a nice feature, I guess. Hopefully, they are quieter, but I think it's just nice to have extra propellers. And since they're only $8.99, I don't think that's really too bad of a price for a pair of these, considering that really the only thing that you need to change on this drone ever is its propellers. I mean, it's pretty much the only thing you can change. There's nothing else you can really take off or add, besides maybe you can add some lights on there to fly at night, possibly maybe a different type of battery, maybe a battery that lasts longer. I haven't seen anything like that, but for today we're just going to be changing these propellers, and I'm a little nervous because I'm going to be taking off down here, and I guess we're going to see how that goes. So let me go ahead and get everything set up for that. The mic is there. Hopefully you can see the mic. I'm going to try to get the propellers kind of right in front of it a little bit. Don't want to get too close. This is already pretty sketchy to begin with. Let me take off this cover. You'll see the gimbal do its little dance there. Throw it in tripod mode. Tripod mode means that all the drone movements are very slow. So turning left or going up and down will be very, very slow compared to sport mode. Alright, I'm a little nervous, but let's go ahead and give this thing a launch. Here we go. Alright, it's fighting me a little bit. Alright, this thing is putting out a lot of air here. Let me just get positioned just right. Okay, so the drone is about, I'd say, 6 inches above the mic and probably about 5 inches away from the mic. So I'll let you get a good hear for what the propellers sound like. Now again, these are the stock propellers. Just as successfully as we took off. Alright, that made me very nervous, but that was a successful flight. So, okay, so now that you got a feeling for what the propellers sound like normally, let's go ahead and try these low noise propellers. Just like that, just like so. See here. Alright, pop open, and I'm assuming we pull them out. No? I'm gonna go ahead and rip the paper because I want to try to be as careful as I can. Okay, they're durable. It's alright. They look identical to the propellers that came with the drone. Alright. 3 low noise propellers and 4 for low noise propellers. If you don't know, installation of these propellers is very, very simple. All you have to do is you push down on the propeller, twist, and then lift up, and it comes right off. It's actually kind of crazy how easy it comes off. So I'm going to go ahead and step a little closer and show you guys low noise, and the one on the right is the one that I've been using, the one that came with it, the stock propeller. So they look identical. You wouldn't really be able to tell. So we got the drone set up with the new propellers on it. This is a test flight. This could go horribly wrong. I don't know. Hopefully these propellers stay. I'm just going to give them one last check. I don't want them flying off because this thing is going to spiral out of control and probably smack me in the face if one of them comes off. Alright, they all feel like they're on there pretty good. Alright, here we go. Launch number 2 with the low noise propellers. $8.99 from Best Buy. Pretty much right in front of the mic. The noise, it's a little bit lower. I think when it's out flying around, I think I'll be able to tell more of a difference. But for the most part, it's very similar. Alright, it's about as comfortable as I am. Okay. Whew. Everything went smoothly. The propellers are on there firm. They're on there good. And she's flying, baby. Well guys, thanks for checking it out. That was just a really quick video of what the propellers sound like. So let me know in the comments if you can hear a difference. Sitting here, I could hear it was a little bit lower pitched, but they sounded very familiar, or similar. They sounded very similar. I think maybe once I get it out and I'm in sport mode, you know, flying at max speed back and forth, I think then I'll be able to tell a little bit of a difference, because that's when the sound of the drone is very distinct. So maybe I'll make another video about that once I get it out and I'm flying it around. But till then, thanks guys for checking out the video, and I'll see you again later.